Children. Today's topic is essay writing. We all know what essay writing is, and you all have been doing this topic since grade 4. This is nothing new, but today we are going to, share, or I am going to share a few tips for you, which will make your writing even more interesting and powerful. So let's first begin with what is an essay. Now, an essay, we all know, is a very interesting piece of writing. So, it's a part of your writing skill. And it comprises of well arranged paragraphs in the form of thoughts. Or rather, I would say well arranged thoughts in the form of paragraphs. So, it expresses the writer's ideas, it expresses the writer's thoughts on a given topic. And it is all relevant and it always provides relevant information. Now, this is the topic which is a sample of morning walk, a visit to an exhibition. You are supposed to write it down in your grammar class work, and following this, you will get a question, which will be your homework essay writing question. You need to write an essay on that. We'll discuss about it later. Right now, you need to write this essay as a sample in your grammar classwork. So let me read out this for you. A visit to an exhibition. Last year there was an exhibition in town and my friends and I decided to visit it. When we entered the grounds, we were excited by the entire atmosphere. Everywhere there were signboards decorated with bright lights advertising all kinds of goods from cloth to household items, various kinds of gadgets, toys and games. And the crowds everywhere there were people moving from one stall to another, bargaining for the best price for things they wanted. Our eyes were drawn to the food stall, it should be food stalls, where we could see all kinds of mouth-watering dishes on display. Not interested in the goods for sale, we made our way to the food stalls. Spicy chaat, fruit salads, pizzas and pastas, all kinds of roasted stuff. We didn't know where to start and what to eat. We were yet to savor the best, the various rides that were for us youngsters the main attraction. The giant wheel and merry-go-round, roller coasters, Dodge cars, the tunnel of horrors. We rode on every one of them, laughing and shouting with sheer enjoyment. By then, it was quite late, and we headed home, happy and satisfied after an extremely delightful evening. Now, this is your homework question. These are not 4 questions. I've provided you with a lot of information here so that it becomes easy for you to write the essay. Now let's see what the question states. The UNICEF has set up a new school called Novelty Academy. You've been appointed as one of the deciding figures for the new rules in the school. You have 2 duties to fulfill before the school can be opened. So now UNICEF, we all know after this pandemic, the UNICEF has decided to set up a new school and the name of the school is Novelty Academy. Now before the school reopens, UNICEF wants to state all the rules very crystal clear to the children. You are one of the members of the board committee or the advisory committee wherein you will be deciding or helping them to decide the rules that the children are and everyone in the school are supposed to follow. Out of which there are 2 rules that have already been stated by the UNICEF. So you need not include those. Those 2 rules are wearing masks and of course using hand sanitizer at all points. So these 2 points you need not include in your essay because these UNICEF and the advisory board have already told that these 2 points are mandatory. Apart from these, what are the different rules? What is a new normal as per you? Or what are the rules that you think you should just include? So now you need to write an essay with all the rules and you need to also reason out the rule. You need to also state a valid reason that suppose you write a rule In school, everyone should stand or maintain a 6 feet difference between them. What is the reason? Because we all know, as per WHO, the virus particles are prone to get transferred easily if the distance is less, right? So whatever your reasons are, whatever your rules are, just mention the reason beside it. Like that, you need to write an essay with a very catchy and interesting title, of course. And you how will you make your students aware about this new normal, and what ways you will ensure the safety, and you will see what will happen to a person if someone is found violating the rules and contravening the orders. So this also you need to state, that how are you going to create the awareness, and what action will the school take if someone violates the rule, and yeah, so on and so forth. So all these things are important part, should be an important part of your essay. Yeah, this brings us to the end of our topic, that is essay writing. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all understood it. If you have any doubt, I'm always a call away. You can ask your doubts during the class or during the calls. All right, thank you so much, children.